In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view blocked IP addresses and unblock them. If I scroll down, this is the message an employee or manager will see when they try and fail to log on to their TeamWork 5 account 20 times within 15 minutes. This is basically letting them know they are currently locked out. And the manager is going to have to go in and unblock that IP address in order for that employee to log on using that computer and internet connection. So first, you'll need to log on to your manager account. Once you're logged in, go to your new top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Then select your enterprise. I'll go ahead and click on TeamWork again. You do need to select your enterprise because you need enterprise level permissions to unblock IP addresses. Next, click on Organization. You should arrive at your Organization's settings page. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Advanced. From the drop-down menu, choose IP Blocking. You should arrive at a chart that looks like this. What this chart is showing you is the date and time this IP address was blocked, from which portal, EMP means the employee portal, what code they were using to log in, which user this was, what IP address they were using, and what the current enforcement setting is. Right now, the user cat cannot log on at this current IP address. To unblock this IP address, click the red block under Enforce. And now you have changed that enforcement setting to allow this employee to clock on at that IP address. If I click on Allow, that IP address will be changed back to block. That's how you can view blocked IP addresses and unblock them. Check out the next video to learn about the terminology dictionaries available in your TeamWork 5 account.